Building a WordPress website with Astra and Elementor is a powerful and simple way to create a professional-looking website. Here's how to do it. Install WordPress. First, install WordPress on your hosting provider like Hostinger or Bluehost. Once installed, log into the WordPress dashboard. Install Astra theme. Go to Appearance, Themes in your dashboard. Click Add New and search for Astra. Click Install and then Activate. Install Elementor plugin. Go to Plugins, Add New. Search for Elementor and click Install Now. After installation, click Activate. Customize Astra theme. Go to Appearance, Astra Options. Choose a starter template or customize your site's layout, header, footer, and colors. You can also integrate Astra Pro for more advanced customization. Create pages with Elementor. Go to Pages, Add New and click Edit with Elementor. Use the drag and drop interface to add sections, columns, images, text, buttons, and more. Customize each element, adjust styles, and create the perfect layout. Publish your website. Once satisfied, click Publish to make your website live.